Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Connecting an HDMI cable to Linux Mint Cinnamon is a simple process. Start by plugging the HDMI cable into both your computer and the external display. Your screen may flicker for a second as the system detects the new hardware. If the image does not appear automatically, you need to adjust the settings. Open the main menu and type Display into the search bar. Click on the Display tool to open the configuration window. You will see icons representing your monitors. You can drag these icons to match the physical position of your screens. Choose whether you want to mirror your primary display or extend your desktop. Click the Apply button to save your changes. After the video is set, you must configure the audio. Click the volume icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Sound Settings from the menu. Navigate to the eOutput tab. Find your HDMI device in the list and select it. This directs the audio through your TV or monitor speakers. If you face issues, check the driver manager. Some graphics cards need specific drivers to handle HDMI output correctly. Open the driver manager from the menu and install any recommended updates. Restart your computer if prompted. You should also check your physical connections. Ensure the cable is pushed in all the way. Some laptops require you to press a function key to activate the external port. Look for a small monitor icon on your keyboard. Following these steps ensures a stable connection for your work or entertainment needs on Linux Mint Cinnamon. This simple process works for almost all modern hardware setups.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.